It is time for your daily crypto update with Framework Fortune Crypto. I'm your host, Ben, and we are live for this update and going to be doing a little bit of live trading, so let's dive in. As I was saying yesterday, the market could get worse today, and boy, did it. Bitcoin cracked right below that support line there at that 34,000 area, came all the way down to 31,000 before it had a quick little rebound. Looking very bearish, but still a little bit higher of a low, just barely, than these three past lows. So we are still building higher lows if it can rebound, but it's got to rebound, and it is a little ways off that 20. Every time it has gotten off of the 20, it has pulled back up to the 20. So I think we'll at least see it try to come back up to 34,000, but this was a very sketchy drop last night. If it drops any more, then we will see 30,000. That is pretty strong support. I'm not thinking it's going to go any lower than that. So we'll see what happens. It's probably a couple of days away. The stock market did rebound today, but it looks like a bull trap on the S&P 500. So if the stock market continues to crash like I think it's going to, it will probably drag cryptos down with it like it has been constantly doing. So we will see. Today, though, we have some rebounds across the board, and that's why we're going to try to do some trading. AMP cracked that triangle back there, this nice consolidation it was making, and pulled all the way back down to 6.5 cents. There is some pretty good support right across there. You can see back here where these multiple candles hit at. So it's bouncing off of that. Could be some plays. We may be looking at AMP to trade here in a little bit. And let's see what else we got. Dogecoin. Dogecoin, I was warning a couple of days ago. I had to sneeze. Dogecoin's so red it made me sneeze. But I was warning a couple of days ago when it cracked out of this consolidation triangle here on the 4-hour that more than likely it was going to have a pullback. And I thought it was going to hold 25 cents, but it didn't. It went all the way down to 16. So Dogecoin needs some help if it's going to do anything. But right now it's looking pretty bad. Let's see. What else do we got here? Scale, same thing. This one I was getting real bearish on. I was bullish on it until it started cracking this trend line. Multiple tests of the trend line. And then finally cracking through and just continuing to ride down that 20-day. But we are bouncing off this 20-cent area. So that 20-cent area is some strong support for scale and could try to hold up there. Matic, I mean, the whole market pulled back. So, of course, Matic cracking its trend line all the way down to $1. Kind of like Matic at $1, really. Yeah, there's strong support there, even though my line is extremely crooked. Let me redraw that. But $1 anyway, at least in my experience in the stock market, it's a different level. When a stock is under $1, normally, when it rips over $1, it's like a psychological change in traders and investors' mind that it's no longer a cheap little penny stock that is now over $1 and could continue to climb. So this is probably going to be really strong support for Matic. I don't see any reason why the psychology would change just because it's a cryptocurrency. And so far, I mean, as soon as it hit $1, just getting pushed straight back up to 110. So there is some buyers there to come in. Everything else down to ADA, Polkadot. These ones I was bullish on, and they pulled back. Just pulling back with the whole market. But I'm going to take it as buying opportunities if the market continues to hold up. But I don't think we're going to see anything out of the ordinary looking at the top gainers here in the market. The whole entire crypto market's got to rebound at this point if we're going to continue to move up. But we've hit a lot of support areas, new support areas that haven't been tested in a long time, and we just got to see them hold up for the market to turn around. But let's go ahead and dive into some trading here. Let's see what we can find. So, let's see, the top gainer, what did I say, AMP was top gainer? Yeah, AMP's top gainer. Let's take a look here at AMP real close like. See if we got anything interesting. So let's go to the 15 minute. Actually, we just had a sell-off. We was all the way up at 9 cents there. So, let me throw these little EMAs on here. Above those little stupid EMAs on Coinbase. Let's look at the 15 minute on here. Oh yeah, so we're testing the 20-day on the 15 minute. Oh no, I'm on Polkadot. Whoops. Never mind. It probably looks the same though. Yeah, so the 20-day hold up, we're testing the 50-day right now on AMP. Little bit of consolidation here. We'll go into the 1 minute. Yeah, we're consolidating, riding up this EMA here. I think I'm going to start building a position here, maybe. Whoops, not that much. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and jump in here while this EMA is trying to hold. Where did I get filled at? 7.1, so that's not too bad. You do want to see 7 cents hold up as support. I may add at 7 cents, but if it cracks 7, I'm going to have to get out. But every time it's come down to the 26 EMA there, it's bounced off. So that's what I'm looking for again, is a bounce off. There it comes down to 7. 7.1, yeah. It's kind of getting squeezed here. I'm going to wait for an ad. I'm going to wait just a second. I don't like the way this candle's looking. It's getting squeezed between those two EMAs and it's having problems popping up over it. And you see it's testing that support at the moment. That EMA support. There it goes. Now it's starting to pop up. There we go. So actually I may try to add here. Bam. Okay, so I'm fully in this. I got a 7140. Damn, I got filled a little high on that fill, but that's alright. I just want to see it pop back up to this 7343 area. Let's see this 5-minute chart. Yeah, actually, it made a high there and made a new high here, so I may look for it to get up to 8. That might be a better. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens there. There we go. Nice open above the EMA. Just need to see it continue to push up. We don't want it back below these EMAs or in between them. There we go, pushing up to 715. You see a little bit more buying volume. See, the thing is, there is a downtrend right across here. So a downtrend's hitting right about 7167. So yeah, we need to see it. We need to see it push over this candle at least. Push up to that 725 area. If it can't do that, it's going to come back down. It'll crack out of the bottom of this little consolidation triangle. Let's see, it's trying to hold here. How are we looking on the 5 minute? Yeah, you can see that triangle really clear on the 5 minute. So yeah, we're either going to pop up out of this triangle here in a second, or we're going to crack and we're going to drop. Hold on just a second, guys. All right. See, still consolidating, a little indecision. We're pretty much in the tip of this triangle. See, we're starting to push that 715. Need to see some more 715s. There we go. Keep coming. There you go. There we go. Come on. Get through there. We need to see it. There we go. That's what I wanted to see. A little bit over 715. I'm up like $5 right now. There we go. There we go. Starting to get a little push. It's got to continue to push. It needs to at least push that 724. Getting real close to the 7.2. There goes. Oh, there's 172 that popped on the time and sells there. There we go. Another 7.2. And we're getting a little rejected here at the downtrend. Ooh, I don't like that candle. This candle needs to come up over this stupid little candle really quickly. Yeah, it does not need to push down. I may be about to hop out of this. Just needs a little bit more to push over that 7.2 area. It's real close. Okay, that was a good open. Let's see if it starts to push over 7.2 here. Getting a couple of 7.2s popping up. Need to see some. Ooh, pulling back again though. Not looking for much. just looking for it to get up to the 7.4 area, basically, like I said. But you know, we're very close to this triangle popping one way or the other. Yeah, if this candle starts to move, if this 5-minute candle can go green and push over 7.2, then we're gonna at least have a somewhat breakout. Could be a fake out breakout, or it could be a pretty decent sized breakout. But either way, it's going to depend on that 5-minute candle, which just started. Yeah, starting to curl down a little bit. That's why we don't want to see it drop. We want to see it continue to push towards that area. If we start curling over here, it's going to pull back. It's got to hold above that. What is that stupid thing? 12 EMA. Pop over the 5-minute real quick and see where bottom of it is, like right at 712. So we don't want to see it crack below 712. Getting real close to it. The market being bearish right now is not good for breakouts, so I'm a little concerned this is going to crack here. Yeah, coming down to that 712 area. Buyers pushing it up. We'll see if they can continue that. Oh, it's getting a little frisky, getting all over the place. Very nice momentum pushing it up. Let's see if that momentum keeps coming. Yeah, buyers just pushed it up to 7189 again. Oh, we just hit that 7.2. See if it can break over that 7.2. Oh, very close. Very, very close. It's really struggling with that 7.2 if it doesn't break here in a second. Let's see what we get. Yeah, we got a minute for that 5-minute candle to close this last candle here. If it doesn't start breaking, or at least testing it harder, like we got little tests, but we're not getting like a bunch of 7.2s on the time and sells. It's just like a couple of random ones. Need to see this thing light up green with 7.2s. But I may have to hop out here because that is close to being a rejection on the triangle breakout. Where you at, 7.2s? Come on. It's all the 7.2 buyers at. Can I get a 7.2? Alright, that 5-minute candle just closed, so this has got to start breaking here. Yeah. Yeah, this is the tip. This is the tip. It's got to break. If it's going to take off, it's got to break now. Which it won't be like no huge break or anything, but it could possibly get up to that 8 area if it can break over this high. Let's see. Yeah, here. Oh. Getting a bunch of 7.198s, but no 7.2s yet. Man, it is really struggling. And I have my finger on the trigger, ready to go if this starts turning around. Because this little area is really holding up. That's some serious resistance. Oh, oh. We're all over the place. I'm just keeping my eye on this time and sells. If I see, where's that? Oh, there comes some 72s. We actually got a few in a row there. Let's see if they keep coming. But if I start to see 715s popping up, then I'm getting out. Just break that damn 7.2 area already. Making me want to get out now. Oh, there goes another 7.2. The only thing keeping me in is we keep seeing a few 7.2s. Okay, there's a couple more. Now we're starting to see a lot more. Now we need to see something over 7. We need to see like a 7203 or something like that. Something over 702 to show that it can get through it. Get a lot of 7.2s now. See if it's got enough to break. There it goes. Little quick pop over 7.2. Let's see if it keeps going. See if it starts going here. Come on, show me the frisk. There we go. Show me the frisk. All the way up to 749. Nice pop there. Was that 749? Was that 749? No, that's 725. I'm sorry. I was going to say I should have locked it out there at 749. See right here, we're at this resistance now, that 725. Oh, there we go. Just popped over it. Nice little pop over it. So we just made a high over this candle. Now let's see if we can get up to that 7.4 area. Or at least 7.3. I'll probably take it at 7.3. That'd be a pretty decent win, because what am I up right now? I'm up $23 right now. Looks like we're going to test that 7.3. We're right there. Real close. Now we need to break over at 7.3 right here, or this is going to curl over under it. So if I see a 7.26 pop up at all, I'm getting out. I'm going to lock this in. Because little green is better than no green. Let's see if we get a 73 up here. We're getting a little 70. Yeah, oh, real close. 7298. Ooh, real close. 299. I sound like a kid in a goldfish store. Whoa, goldfish. We're hitting that 7.3. Let's see. Let's see here. How frisky we gonna get? Another 7-3. Start to see more 7-3s. Got 7-305. We'll get some sideways movement here. Oh, here we go. Starting to pop over 703 or 7-3. Let's see, you gonna push? Yeah, there we go. Starting to push. Let's make sure we're not gonna get held up anywhere. No, so 733, that's probably where I'll lock it out. If it can push up to 733. Well, actually, I'm gonna be smart. I'm going to be smart and lock part of this out at the 73. Lock out something. Does that sell? Yeah, okay. So then, why is it showing it didn't sell? Oh, what did I do? See, I sold 5. Oh, I saw. Oh, okay, I see what I did. Okay. Never mind. Stupid. Okay, there we go. That looks a lot better. I was trying to do it as dollars and it was in amp. So that's the reason why it did not sell as much as I thought it would. So I got half this position left to see if it's going to break to 73. So if it doesn't, then I'll at least be guaranteed some profit. Really struggling at this 73 area. I may just take it. If it doesn't start popping with a bigger candle here in a minute. These little tiny candles are not the best thing. There we go. Starting to push. 7308. Little 739. This is taking a long time for it to try to break out over this 7.3. Now, well, it's starting to look decent now. It needs to get over 7.39 for some reason. It's getting held up there. Not really sure why. Getting a lot of 7308s and 7309s. That's all that's coming up on the time and sales right now. A little battle right here between these two, this level. Buyers and sellers are butting heads. Wow. You usually don't see this much of the same price on these crypto plays. They move so fast normally. at this on the 5 minutes, see if there's something that I'm not seeing. Oh, okay. So 7309 was some support and resistance back here on the 5 minute back in this area, but it wasn't that much to be holding up like this, but maybe so. So we had a double bottom there. At 735 is going to be tough even if it can break up to it. Then we got 7.5, which is going to be even tougher. Let's see here. Let's see if it can break. Boy, this thing is really getting held up. This is insane. Just staying right between 7308 and 309. Just staying right there. There it goes. God, that was a long time for it to break through that little stupid area. I don't know what that was about. Somebody must have been unloading a bunch of tokens right there to keep it down. Oh, there we go. Nice pop up. And we popped over that area, those previous highs. 7.4 was my price target. I probably am going to take it right here. Unless all of a sudden it pops through 7.4. I'll give it a couple of seconds. See if it's going to push up anymore, but this has been a pretty good little run so far. Yeah, it's still getting held up at that 735. Now we're above the 735. Let's see if it can test this 7.4. Ooh, getting very close. Hit it, got real close again. 7397. I don't want to be greedy and lose out on this profit here. But this is showing some strength. If it can continue to push for that 7.4. If it starts coming down back under 7.35, I'm definitely getting out. Oh, we're hitting 7.4s. Just hit a few 7.4s. You gonna break up this 7.5? Ooh, got to push over 7.4, 7.407. Let's see if we get a big explosion here. 7.410, 7.415. We're getting all over the place. Ooh, another 7.4. Ooh, 7.440. Very nice. Get on up there to that 7.5. Still struggling with 7.4 a little bit, but we're getting buys quite a bit over it. There we go. Now we're starting to get some sells at 7.4. Well, no, back to 7.390. I think I'm probably... if it does not start pushing for... Oh, we're still getting hung up a little bit. Oh, I'm on the 5 minute. Let me flip back to the 1 minute real quick. Okay, there we go. Oh, I don't like that. I'm locking it out. Alright, so I'm out there. So I started like 154, made 30 bucks on that play. I'll take that little scalp. Decent little run up, just riding right up that EMA. Nice clean move until it started cracking that EMA. Yep, there we go. Starting to come back down. But very nice play. So that's not too bad. Like, I'll take a little $30 win any day of the week for about, 30 minutes of work. Not too bad at all. So I'm going to call it a night because I gotta go get dinner and pick up my wife for work. We'll try to do more live stream trading this week. I'm trying to get it on a schedule, but the Framework Fortune Home channel is also a pretty big channel compared to this one, and there's a lot of work that has to be done over there on a daily basis. But I'm working out the schedules. We will get there where there will be scheduled live stream trading here in the next week or two. But for now, just continue to bear with me as it's going to be kind of random until I can get it figured out. But appreciate everybody joining me for this live daily crypto update and this live trade that was a profitable trade. This amp could keep running. I mean, we did just hit a bunch of support areas on all these cryptos, so we could see some decent rebounds. I don't know how big these rebounds will be this time. In the past, they've been, when it's dipped down, they've well, this is amp. I can't look at amp. Amp doesn't have enough chart history to look at, but Bitcoin is kind of the guy to look at. Where are you at, Bitcoin? There you go. Yeah, so Bitcoin's up to 32,000. I'm on a 15 minute. Let me go back to the 4 hour. Yeah, so yeah, very nice rebound so far. Whether we'll see a continuation bounce like this or not, I don't know. But it very well could come back up to that 20-day like it's done all those other times. And if it does that, then there will be, over tonight and tomorrow, there will be some good day trades in here, good scalps on multiple of these cryptos to get these quick pops like I just did on AMP. But appreciate everybody joining me as always. Stay safe out there. Until next time.